I'm going to explain the rubric and the activities for this first evaluation. And now that you know the instructions of the class and the welcome to this first evaluation, also the rules for the classroom or lab, keep on mind those rules. The rules are really important, that's why it's the only thing in Spanish. The chart that appears on the screen shows the activities that we will do during this evaluation. Today we have a lot of work, but I will explain you step by step, so don't worry. Well, again, this chart has the activities for this evaluation. Also, I have shared you in Drive a folder called Files. Let me show you here. In this folder, I'm going to add all the resources for the class and the rubrics, etc. For example, here is the file of the rules and here is the file of the rubric. Okay? So if you have some questions or you forget something, you can take a look there. Okay, well, here. This is the most important issue, I know. This rubric shows how I'm gonna evaluate you. Here in performance, I have the practice 1, practice 2, practice 3, practice 4, and practice 5 that are the 100% of the performance. Remember that you gotta have 2 exercises per practice. The practice that we do together and the practice that you are gonna do adding your own elements. In product, we have the practice 6, the practice 7, and the practice 8. Also, we are gonna have an exam or a test, but don't be afraid, it will be really easy. And this is the 50% of the product. The knowledge is the final project. Here you must apply all the tools that we will learn in the class. Also, I'm going to explain this with details later. In behavior, we have the class participation, the homework, the attendance, and the class behavior. Okay? Well, here in attendance, it's really important that you remember that if you don't join the class 2 times, I think 1 time, you can't be able to have this percentage. Okay, so pay attention here and be careful. Also, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. It could be as a comment in the classroom. So if one of your partners have the same question, we could kill 2 birds in a one shot. With a one shot, sorry. Well, here the first evaluation consists in a character composition poster with the following elements. Here the size, the format, and these elements. These elements are really important, but also I'm gonna explain you later. So I'm gonna give you time, don't worry. The deadline for this is the June 2nd at 12 p.m. via Classroom, okay? Well, I think this is all by now with the rubric and the activities. Remember that this file is in the Files folder on the drive. Also, if you have questions, please let me know. I'm gonna be here.